and I've already sold $2,500 worth of these.
I got to hand it to you. I think you did a really good job on creating the program.
Actually, in January, because I did 17,000 in sales in January, so I was, yeah, I started the process of getting it injection molded.
I understand better how to run the system, thanks to the class. A lot of the stuff that I've learned in this class. So thanks.
The biggest benefit was just the consistency and having Ed there to help guide me.
I'd have to say the part of your program I really appreciate the most was the creative, the qualitative research side, the description, bullet points, all that. I feel like I really got a lot from that because I was always just kind of piecemealing that together and kind of taking it on blind faith with people I hired that they knew what they were doing. But now I look back at some of my copy and stuff and I'm like, man, this could be so much better.
That's 15x is how I went with, is how I priced it. I took the raw price of everything. One full kit costs me $27 to make, and I sell it for 4 plus, it's like 600 and something dollars.
I think the biggest revelation to me was understanding his process on how to know what product to make. Cause I've always just made products.
Purchased one other like selling online training program. And that was like how I got into private label. It was like $2,000 at the time. And I mean, it got me where I'm at today, but it was nothing compared to what like you've created.
Yeah, it was this before I started the class. It was complicated. It took like a lot longer to print and 2 different material. With this, I just run it and run it and run it and run it. And I can print several on the bed of different sizes at once.
One of the things that I feel like I got the most out of the program, and it wasn't even something that was advertised, was just the whole, the mindset stuff.
Now I just see kind of the whole world a little bit differently.
I did have a little bit of apprehension about spending that much money. But now I look back and I think it was totally worth it.
When somebody orders it through their regular supply system, somebody reaches out to me and says, hey, I need these kits that you have for sale, and I run off more of these.
It's going to make you think totally differently about how you create products.
I just worked inside a bunch of comfort zones the last couple of years. This has helped me realize that, not let my business become stagnant, that I need to build a little more structure.
I'm a go-getter. I can research, I can do lots of things, but in reality, looking back now, it was so much more helpful and just faster. Like, you're just going to get the result faster because you're going to have Ed there every single week, like 2 times a week. It's amazing. Not only that, but the community. Like, I've met so many friends and cool dudes and chicks there to support you and to push you through. It sounds easy, but there's a lot that goes into it. If you're on the fence thinking about it, just, have a chat with Ed, see if it's a good fit for your business. Just invest in yourself, but really take it seriously. And I'm very thankful for Ed and his team for all the help and support. It was fantastic. 10 out of 10.
I've been impressed the entire time. If I ever come across anybody that I feel like, could use it, I'll definitely recommend them.